Hey, I salute you in the course of our nation history. I am here today to emphasize that Bola Ahmed Tinubu cannot be our president. And I also want to call on the judiciary that the judiciary cannot create a president for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. A president will only be created by democratic due process through electioneering processes. And anyone voted for popular votes in this country will be the president of this country. Never will we allow the judiciary to create a president for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And a drug baron, a certified drug baron, cannot be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And I'm using this opportunity to call on President Muhammadu Buhari, who in 1985 sentenced his government, actually, sentenced 3 people to death, and they were indeed executed. They were indeed murdered. 3 drug barons arrested during his regime in 1985 were summarily executed. They were killed by that government. So a man who executed drug barons and drug traffickers under his watch in 1985 will now, on May 29, hand over the Federal Republic of Nigeria to a drug baron. It is time for Buhari to think, it is time for the Nigerian judiciary to think that a certified drug baron who has been indicted and money was deducted from his account to the tune of over $400,000. You can calculate that in Naira today. I will want to say he wants to be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. No! An Escobar Pablo cannot be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We say no to it, and we will continue to agitate, we will continue to ask questions, we will continue to protest, we will continue to agitate within legal means to prove a point that, a drug baron cannot be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And the battle to salvage this country from economic cankerworms and financial scavengers, this battle to make sure that Nigeria is not declared as the drug capital of the world. Already we are the poverty capital of the world. The battle to get that done is a battle of no retreat, no surrender. We will survive.